Oh, that did more. I got all in my eye. Oh, ow. Hey, so like, did y'all just see that? Like, should I play it again? Should I play it again? Let me play it again. Hold up a minute. Alright, so I have to give a shout out to my girl Darian. She made this amazing intro for me. I love it so, so much. It's literally everything I asked for, 100% my vibe. Yellow, orange, like the music's pumping, the animation's great. I love it so, so much. I am so thankful to you, Darian, and all the work that you did for me. So thank you so much for giving me such an amazing intro. Now, back to the video. Hey guys! Okay, so it is officially October 1st, and I have to go to work today, so I can't do like a extreme Halloween look, but I feel like honestly we don't need that right now. We don't need that yet. So I'm wearing my Disney Halloween shirt, and I'm gonna kind of just do something inspired by that. Just the yellow and orange and then the pumpkins. We're just gonna experiment around with that and see what I come up with.
Tell him that I ain't so crack. Your money long way, your people can't afford that. I'm ballin'. My mama told me that they my calling. I keep that stick on, you know, brawling. Up and out the doors and let them all in. Yeah, they all in. Yeah, big dog. We come out the pound, so we big dog. Heavy patty, come and break my wrist up. I'm young out of rock, you about to lead dog. 3, 2, 1. I got big dog status, I'm a big dog. Yeah, I pull up on the block, yeah, big Corvette. Yeah, ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a broken weed.
Now that my base is all done, because I basically just did that normally, I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna attempt to kind of talk through it and explain what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start with my Milani eye primer. Is this even in the right spot? No. Hello. I need another one. I have another one. I need to put another one on this side, but I keep forgetting to grab it. I'm just gonna put this on my eyes. Pat it in. Dries pretty quick. Sometimes I'll put like a concealer with it, like you guys have seen, but I already put foundation and concealer on my base, so no need for that. Just gonna put this right on top. Is my drink cold? I made a drink. Tastes pretty good. I made it look like a refresher so I could feel bougie, but it's just hibiscus tea. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Ultimate palette, and with this, and I'm gonna dip into this like light orangey color first and kind of put that above my crease. And then to blend that out, I'm just gonna use the next color over, which is this lighter, like almost like a sunflower or like a bee yellow. And I'm gonna put that right above and just blend it. Now I'm just gonna go in. I think I'm gonna start with this brighter orange and see if that works. And then if I need to darken it up, I'll add this one. But right in here, the James Charles palette. I got home last night and I was hearing like a whole bunch of running upstairs that didn't sound like people. Like it sounded like a cat or something. And I was getting like kind of confused because I was like, no animals allowed. And I'm just putting this right on my lid. And so I was just sitting there and I was like, I don't care, like, whatever, do what you want. I'm not gonna like call up my landlord and be like, oh my god, I think they have a cat. And so I was just sitting there doing my own thing, whatever, and I heard somebody call out the door. I think they said like, come Frankie or something. And I was like, oh shit, like they have a dog. And so I was texting my boyfriend that lives with me because he wasn't home. And I was like, I think the neighbors have a dog or a cat or some sort of animal. And he was like, yep, they do. When I was leaving for work, they were bringing it in. And I was like, oh shit, that's not good. So there's some tea on that. I mean, I don't think anything's gonna happen. Like, I'll pop this down below too, this same bright orange color. Oops, it hit my eye. I'm not really doing like a cut crease. I'm kind of just like putting it all over the lid. So like not quite a cut crease. I don't want it to be that severe, but I do want there to be kind of like a distinct line. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here because I don't think it will mess with the colors. Oh, unless I want to. Well, let me go in with this in the crease or in the inner corner first. So like I'm gonna go do this and like bring it up as I do. I'm gonna do a little more than normal and bring it down a little more than normal so she's nice and glittery. And then it's what I put on my face in the beginning, but just in a slightly goldier color, I hope. I'll mix these two. Yeah, let me mix these two. So let me put a little bit of that on the back of my hand because I think this one kind of has a pink shimmer to it and I don't want that. So let's mix these and see what happens. I'm kind of scared. Mixing these two colors to try to make something. And I feel like it's too dark and too peachy. Like yellow. This might not work. Nah, this is not gonna work. This color is not gonna work. We're gonna scrap that idea. I'm gonna try to go in with the color next to it first, which is this like little darker shimmery one. I just went in with this one, so let's try that one. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the colors. Oh no, that's bringing them out nicely, I think. I'm just like tapping it because I don't want something bad to happen, basically. It's just like a good way to separate the orange and the yellow. Still not that noticeable, but you can see it in person. I don't know. Next step, we're gonna do a little bit risky. So I don't have a green eyeliner, I just have blues. So I'm gonna use this green mascara and put it in my waterline. I don't know if this is the pencil I want. All right, let's try this. I don't know if I got enough, but this mirror needs cleaning. All right, let's try it. Can you guys see? Sorry about my face. Oh, you guys can't really see my face anyway. I'm making a really weird face. Maybe if I just get more. It's kind of a lighter green than I expected. Like, you can kind of see that. It's more subtle. What if I took the end of it? Oh, that did more. I got all in my eye. Oh. Well, now my eye is green. Well, maybe I kind of like the green on the inner corner. Okay, let me get this out of my eye. Okay, so I have a new plan. This is just like not the color I need. So I think I'm gonna go in with an eyeshadow, and I feel like that seems even scarier to most people, but like that's more what I'm used to. See, this is what happens when I talk during videos instead of just doing it. It is kind of pretty color on the end. Well, maybe I'll give it one more shot. I'll like pull my eye this time. You guys won't be able to see as well, but oh, the same thing's gonna happen, but that's okay. Oh, ow. Oh, ow. Oh, ow. Okay, now both my eyes hurt. Let's put some eyeshadow in them. Go in with this dark color. Oh, my nose is running from that. Oh, geez. I'm just gonna pop this in my waterline. I'm gonna try to do it safely, though, so I'm gonna turn and do it. Like that. She's cute. She looks cute, actually. I really like the green. I think it somehow brings out the blue in my eyes. I feel like my eyes look very blue. Basically, now I'm just gonna pop on some mascara real quick. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, and I'll be right back. That is the eyes all completed. I'm gonna try... Oh, I have this color. So I'm gonna put on this Smashbox Rouge. Yeah. Put that on my lips. I feel like they need some sort of moisture first. Hold on, because this is like a mousse. So I'm gonna put on my Agave, just the bite lip balm. I'll put some of this on.
Tell him that I ain't so crack. No money long way, your people can't afford that. I'm ballin'. My mama told me that they my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling. Up and out the doors and let them all in. Yeah, they all in. Yeah, we big dog. They come out the pants, so we big dog.
I kind of love this. I wanted to add a gloss, but I kind of like it like this. So we're gonna leave her. Yeah, and this is the completed look. Gonna take these bad boys out. Okay, let me put this on my face. So this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate everything. Yeah, I have to go to work, so this is gonna be a short outro. But make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get notified for when I post. And I will be doing a whole bunch more Halloween-inspired looks lately. I feel like this one was definitely more downplayed, but like it definitely matches the shirt. Really cute. Comment what you're being for Halloween down below. Or if you don't know yet, I'll give you costume suggestions. Bye!